Hello again and welcome back to our channel. This is the last video of this year. I hope you like it. This is the wiring diagram for this project. And acrylic dumbbell jars will be used to keep this project always clean and protected. For the base, I use wall mate. I first mark the dumbbell in the wall mate and then I cut. Some sanding will be needed to make it fit. Then I mark the design that I want to do. I paint it with white ink. In the bottom, I mark and cut the place for the electronic components. Then I make the holes needed to fix everything and to pass the wires. After painted, I mark the trails of brown ink to simulate the pass of the tires. A small bush from the remain of the tree and painted with white ink to simulate the snow. To make the street light, I used two rigid conductors. I twisted them together to make the lamppost. For that, I used my drill. The LED for the street light came from a flexible LED strip. I cut it, welded and tested. I use a part of an old C5W bulb to put a LED inside and simulate the lamp. Then I fill it with hot glue. As always, I test it. To make the fence, I use some barbecue sticks. I painted with brown ink to make them look older. Now let us disassemble the car. To put the LEDs in the car, I have to drill. Five millimeters in the front and 3 millimeters in the rear. After drilling, I can disassemble the rest of the car. The LEDs were attached to the car with hot glue. Here is the car already assembled. Let us test it. Looks great! To simulate the snow in the wheels and in the rest of the car, I use a thin coat of white ink. Here I simulate the windshield wiper. With a string, I attach the tree to the car. Now I pass white glue in the model to fix the snow. And this is the result. Now, with the human models painted, I put them in the right places. I spray a thin coat of hairspray over the model for a better fix of the snow. I also use some wet flour and a brush to give the final touch in some parts. After that, I sprayed again, here with all the electronics in place. The wall mate was glued to the base. And this is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed it. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.